Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to put music on Instagram Notes. Let's start. First, go to the Instagram app on your mobile device. Here, go to your inbox. Tap on this plus symbol on your note in order to add a new note. After that, tap on this music icon. You can select music from the suggestions or you can search from the search bar. Play the song that you want to add. Tap on it and then select the part of it that you want to add on your notes. Just drag this bar to the left or right to adjust it. Once you're done, tap on Done. Then tap on Share from your top right corner. As you can see, your note has been shared. Now, tap on your note again. You will see that you have the options to add a new note or delete your note. So this is how you can put music on Instagram Notes. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.